346 Charter House, front living room. Comes around into the kitchen. Looks like there's some water on the floor and needs to come up. All in all, not too bad. Goes out into the deck. See from here, the garage door needs to be replaced. We can't see the roof because of the snow. Come through here. Closet, door to the back. Just run to the bathroom. A little outdated. Some problems with the tile. Full bath. Back in the hallway that connects to the living room. It's one of the bedrooms. Paint closet, carpet door. Door to the room needs to be replaced. Second bedroom. Just paint and carpet. In the third bedroom, we use paint and carpet. And that's it.